Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to do a quick unboxing and review for a case for our Galaxy Z Fold 2. And so the case we're looking at today is a case by a company called Carson and Quinn, and this is a case for our, like we said, for our Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now what's weird is you can hardly find cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 2, which is so frustrating. You can't find them online. And so since I couldn't find them online that would get it to me like today or tomorrow, I started looking locally for cases. So I started to go to some of the phone providers like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and I ran up on this case. And so if you're like me and you're wanting to carry this phone more and you need a case or feel safer with a case, check out some of the local places in your area like the phone providers, Best Buy, or even Target to see if you can run up on a case. And so I ran up on this case, and again, like I said, it's from Carson and Quinn. It's for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now I said it has premium protection, it has built-in microbial protection, and if we look at the back, it gives us a little bit more information too, saying that it has been 10-foot test dropped, it has a slim profile which doesn't add bulk to it, and you can still wirelessly charge the device. And so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. So popping it out here, set that box to the side in that plastic, we have some instructions that are made into the case. So this is a two-piece case, which is good because I just reviewed the official Samsung case. It was nice, but it was only a one-piece case, so I wasn't really confident that my phone could be protected, especially the outside glass didn't have any kind of protection. So it seems as though this one will have some protection. So quick look at our installation instructions, and we're going to set that down. And so as you can see, it has two pieces. This is the back piece. Of course, you can see the camera cut out here. It has a clear piece of plastic here, which goes over the front cover, and a little trim around it. So we're gonna pop it in real quick. Looks like you need to remove the adhesive here so it'll stick down to it. We're not gonna remove the adhesive just at the moment. We're gonna go ahead and try the phone in it first and see how it looks. And then as I get ready to carry it out the house, I will remove the adhesive to stick it down. So anyway, we're going to just grab our Z Fold 2. We're going to stick it in just like we see it here. Actually, we're going to stick it in on where the back side is there. And of course, we're going to close it real quick and let it snap into place. And hey, that looks pretty good. Now, of course, this is only the second case I've had, so I hadn't seen a lot to compare it to, but this is better than the Samsung case where we just had the back cover, and nothing in front of on the glass. And so as you can see, the back cover is covered up. You can see the phone module, you can see the camera module is sticking out, and it has a little raised portion on it. If you look at it real close, it's like a leg right around the corners, and it's reinforced here around the corners. It kind of sticks out here, and that's for that drop protection I see. And like so. And as you can see too, you got your cutout there. You can see which is your microphone there, and this cutout here is your speaker grill. You can go down to the bottom, of course. You got your cutout there for your mic, your USB-C power port, and for your stereo speakers. It also has a little piece of plastic or rubber going around the binder. So that doesn't look bad at all. Actually looks pretty good and does give me more confidence on trying to carry this. And so it is raised around the trim here, the black trim around the faces of the phone. We're going to peel this plastic off here. And that's on the face of the phone. So that's as you can see. And also, if we look from the sides, it does have some buttons for your volume up and volume down. Has a cutout here for the power button because that is your fingerprint scanner also. So we're going I have mine set to tap to wake. We're gonna tap it, and you can see my lock screen. So it looks pretty good. Like I said, it doesn't look as nice because the plastic is on there, but we do have some sort of protection for it. Now, if we were to log into it real quick, it doesn't look bad. Like I said, this is something I can actually leave the house with and will be confident that I won't tear up the phone in case, I have a slip with it. And so, like we said again, we have your raised part here, which is above the screen, and you also have your clear plastic over the screen. You have a rubber or plastic around the binder, and of course, you have a case around the back. So all in all, like I said, it doesn't add much bulk to it. Matter of fact, it looks more compatible with trying to take it out the house. So I like it. I like it a lot. Like I said, the Samsung case was good looking. It was only one piece though. That was the problem with it. So as you open it up, it looks like so. And it also has that raised portion around the sides too, to kind of protect the inner screen also. And if you look at the back here, you see when you open it up, this rubber or plastic kind of folds out or bends out, which it has to because you're opening the phone and closing it. And so it's something that's flexible with it. So all in all, I like it. This is a case from a company called Carson Quinn, and it looks nice. I don't have any links for it. Like I said, you probably need to just check your local area looking for cases. And that's what I did. And I was just blessed to come up with this. And so this will allow me to carry it more and experience the phone more away from home. So that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button. Also hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.